Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, yeah, hello sa mga Inday and sa mga uwakdara. But for this video, we're going to use Taglish because this is another, yes, it's another makeup review. So, for this afternoon or what time you're watching this video, we're opening again another PR. This is from kata.co. So I'm gonna show here the Instagram page. You can check them out. Marami po silang lip products. Okay. So, okay, that's here. LBC. We're gonna read the message. Hi babe, I appreciate you trying our influencer package. Thank you so much for supporting small businesses. Hope you will love these products and we will wait for your review. Best review can be the next ambassador. Okay, so I really don't mind having the worst or the best review, whatever comes out of my mouth, but as long as it's honest. Okay. So yeah, let's review kata.co. I'm not really sure. Kata.co, kata.co, kata.co. Collection. So the claim, vegan and cruelty-free products. So we're kind of comforted because syempre we want these products to be safe as possible and you know, best quality. Wala po akong leg as of now and my face is very bare. Wala rin akong product sa aking lips. Because it's a lazy Monday. Okay, so we've opened it. Okay, and we have 3 babies right here. So, very nice yung pagkapak kasi naka-safe storage talaga siya. Because I'm from Mindanao and these products are, I think, from Manila or someplace in Luzon. And it got shipped here. Very, very safe. Okay. So, we have beautiful babies right here. First impression, very classy. Ay, ayan. Oh, see, mirror pa. Nakita pa yung camera. Ayan. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda ng packaging. I love it. I love it, honestly. Look at that. See? It's so chic. Dang. Okay, so hindi naman dito nakalagay yung ano. Hindi nakalagay kung ilang ml. But I'm guessing it's the same with other lip tints, you know. So that's, I think, 10 to 15 ml. That range, so sorry, I'm not perfect, no? So, ayan. So, yeah, kata.co. We have lip and cheek tint. Nakalagay sa label. And then we have these different shades. We have Sinta. Ay, sana all. We have Sinta. And then we have Harana and Tadhana. Okay. So, I think that's very witty to use, you know, our very own Filipino words. And syempre, even the name of the brand is Filipino-ish. So I like that. I think that's very original. So now let's try. So for packaging, that's already a 10 for me because I love the packaging. Super chic. Yeah. So let's open first the, oh my gosh, it's sorry, very init. Let's open first Tadhana. Okay, Tadhana. Okay, paano ba to? Okay. Oh, I like it. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Sorry. Ayan. And, kahit ganito lang siya, meron na akong naaamoy. Bubblegum-ish. Bubblegum-ish scent when I opened it. So, this is again Tadhana. So we're gonna swatch that. Okay, so this is the shade for Tadhana. Is it runny? Runny ba siya? Okay, let's try. Kung mag-spill yan. Hindi naman siguro. Ayan. So this is Tadhana. And ang ganda kasi yung packaging niya, see, hindi siya nagsispill. So, it's very safe to use, travel friendly, and yes, nagrarun siya. Smell is good. Let's try it on my lips. Okay. Okay. So, first impression on this one. Bakit walang tissue dito? So, first impression, very gel-ish. Parang siyang sticky sa lips mo. Then, we're gonna try it on our cheeks as well. Or dito na lang. Because I'm still gonna need those parts for the other shades. Yan lang, guys. Hindi naman siya masyadong nakakita. See, parang walang difference. But I think it needs a shake. Try natin yung shake. But I love the feel, kahit gel-ish. It's not too sticky. Yung saktong pagka-sticky lang. Okay. How about that? I think that one's better, pero di yun lang talaga siya makikita sa camera because of my awful lighting. So, sorry about that. So, this is Tadhana. This is Tadhana. So, yeah, gel-ish. Let's try the other shades if it has the same smell. Wait, how do I close this? Okay. So, pag i-close nyo siya, para siyang may hard dito. Wait. Pa natin ulit. When it comes to the last turn, para siyang nagiging hard. So, I think that's kind of like secure para sa atin, you know. Just so we could know na hindi talaga siya magsispill if we're gonna put it somewhere else. Or I think kahit sa bag, you know, your pouch, purse. And then next we have Harana. Okay, let's try Harana. Wait. Before anything else, shake muna natin ulit. So sorry about that. And then close to my nose so I can smell. Okay, same smell, bubble gum-ish. And hindi talaga siya dirty pag open mo. See? It stays there. So this is Harana. Let's watch that. So sorry for my scars if you see it. Okay, so Harana is like a nude-ish shade. I thought it was darker. Pero it could be deceiving, you know, kasi dark naman talaga yung isa. Wait, let's try it on my lips. Okay. Okay. Okay, same. Gel-ish. Para talaga, I think hindi ka... Okay, honest opinion. I think na hindi talaga siya nagmamanifest masyado yung color sa lips ko because my lips are kind of dark. But, yeah, as I said earlier, I think it's the orangey shade or the nude orangey, you know, shade. Let's say like auburn or something like that. As you can see naman, oh, see on my lips. And by the way, aside from the unsticky feel, kahit para siyang gel, hindi siya sticky. It's like wala kang nilalagay sa lips mo. It's very light. I think that's a plus for every lip product that I have reviewed. I think that's always a plus that it feels light on your lips because syempre when you put that on, it feels great na parang wala kang nilalagay. Admit, girls. Duh. Okay. Next, the last one is the sexy colored one. So this is Sinta. Okay, whatever. Sinta. So I think there's still product left on my lips. Pero I wiped it off naman. You saw that. I was trying my best to wipe it off. So let's try Sinta. Close to my... Okay, still bubblegumish. So I think that is the trademark scent for all the lip products. Okay, so this is the baby pink. Para to sa mga mean girls. Just kidding. This for the, yung mga light yung lips. Unlike me. So this is good for you guys. And I'm just gonna wipe it off, okay? Kasi parang nagra-run siya. I don't know if it's because of the storage. Kasi syempre, di ba, it's shipped to me. So parang, I think it's because of the heat. That's why it's like that. So that's why I'm trying my best to shake and, you know, just do anything to let it show the real colors. See? Sorry talaga, guys. But I can see the baby pink there. See the baby pink. Okay. No, so sorry, wait. So let's put more. Okay. So that's a baby pink. See? It's a baby pink. Try natin ilagay sa cheeks because I forgot the other one na ilagay sa cheeks. Wait, what was the first one? Ilagay natin lahat. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna put Sinta here. And then I'm gonna put Tadhana here and Harana here. Okay? Ito siya sa kamay ko. Ayan. So that's Sinta. It's the baby pink. Okay. So I don't normally put cheek tints na because when I was in grade, I think that's grade 9, I'm too lazy, you know, na after school, wash my face. I just wash my face before sleeping, not when I got home from school. And so, ayan, may nag-break out. But okay, I'm trying this out for Kata.co and for you guys. So, wait, ayan. I don't know if you can see that clearly, pero parang wala. Just because it's a baby pink, so it's supposed to be light, you know. So, eto, Tadhana. Hindi ko na alam ang pinagkagagawa ko sa mukha ko. Okay, let's Tadhana right there. Okay, so I think this one is better for my skin kasi mas nakikita siya. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing with my face, but at least you can see it. At ang init. Dang, it's so hot. Okay, ayan. That's it. My pimple right there, say hi. That's Tadhana, and then we have the last one. Sorry. Harana. Okay, how about that? Can you see it for yourself? Self-explanatory. Sorry. Okay, so that's it. This is Sinta, Tadhana, and then Harana, and then my lips is Sinta, the baby pink. Ayan. So that's all for the trying on part. It's time for the final verdict. Di ko alam ano nangyari sa camera ko. Okay. Final verdict, packaging wise, it's very classy. Kita nyo naman sa reaction ko, diba? When I opened it, it's very nice. It's very good. Yeah, okay. So, pigment wise, I'm sorry if hindi talaga siya makita, you know, sa camera. But I'll be posting the pictures here on the effect talaga sa cheeks ko. So, it's very good. Nakikita talaga siya. I think that's just my camera quality plus the bad lighting, but it's so good. So flash around here as you can see. So yeah, that's very good pigment, very nice packaging. The, you know, overall product wise, the texture and all, I think it's great. You know, they have the gel like feel, which is pretty normal for lip tints, we all know that. And actually I feel great sa cheeks ko because as I've said earlier, I've been suffering for, you know, breakouts when yeah, but it does not feel heavy to my cheeks. So I will probably be trying again to, you know, put cheek stains. And yeah, so overall verdict for this product right here, these babies right here, is 5 stars. Yeah, that's a first on my channel, I think. So 5 stars for this product. And if you do want to purchase from Katako, again, here's their store. If you do want to purchase for them, you can use my discount code, that is ABICHESA10. So that's ABIIITCHESA 10. So that's the discount code. So you can just PM them your orders and then give my discount code. And to Katako, thank you so much for the opportunity to try your products and give a review. Again, no dishonest review here. We're trying to be as transparent as possible. So guys, I really recommend this shop. Be sure to check their shop out and purchase. So they have other they have other products. They have velvet stains, I think, and they will be making more for sure. So be sure to check out Katako. And those who are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe, and also comment for your suggestions if there's anything you want me to do, a challenge that you want me to try, suggestions if pangit ba yung background ko and all. And see to it that I will pay attention to that. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video.